is special paper. We got 300 different special paper in stock. All these special papers. All these special papers. So and here we got HP Indigo 100K digital press, and it is super fast. We also can print the Pantone color about this, because now it's early morning, so we have no job right now, because this is not like a text office printer, like we can print immediately. Yes, we can print immediately, but still we need to enough order to feed this super big machine. And check. Did the tray, different paper, and put in. So this afternoon I will record how we work, because now it's early morning. Here is the papers we put here in stock. This one. And here we got black and white printing. So we got Canon, we got Monica, we have Ricoh and Xerox. Xerox is the best. Xerox is the best. Oh, sorry. OCE is the best. OCE is the best. And then here gets clean, making sure that okay, we go to the binding room. Clean everything, single part. Okay, good job, boys. Okay, now we go to the binding room. Okay, so we got web printing. Here you can see that web printing. Okay. Here one is super big. This one is super big. And it's amazing, right? All the raw materials here. The operation here. This one is black and white web printing. It's black and white. Okay, so all these the black and white. Yes. All these black and white. Raw materials. Because now it's early morning, so people not start work. Only this time it's quite quiet, not noisy, because when the machine's on, you can hear all the noisy. So it's beautiful, right? It is beautiful. I have to delete that. Okay, here's a storage room, temporary storage. All the materials will be temporarily stuck here. That is a screw binding machine. We just temporarily put it out. So here we got the packing materials. Okay, here we are. So everybody knows that in the printing factory we got this cut. Right? We got this cutter. Okay, we start from the right first. Lamination machine. Okay, this is the lamination. Okay. This is for the test. lamination. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so here is the binding. Automatic. So this is a kind of system. You can start from here. Every group, then binding over there. It's perfect binding. And the book will come in through this style and go there and make the finish at the cutting. So this is how the system works. So people say, hey Paula, I want to see how you guys work. So this is a place how we work for digital printing department. So everybody is here. Everybody works here. I know it's kind of boring because nobody works right now and you barely can see nothing, but if you are in the industry you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this CP Berg, okay, CP Berg, yeah, the binding system too. All these small works. Oh yeah. Here is the packing material, packing area. Packing area is ready for pack. So everyone got a shelf, different name, and here is for the ready to pack. This is a place. So basically, it's clean, and people come here to pick. Here to pick. So this is the place.